project I'm messing with. I've put this new pad down here. Betsey's generator here blew up. It's an 8.5 kVA. Something happened in the head or something of it. So I've got it all disconnected here. I got a buddy coming over and we're gonna try to get it lifted onto this little cart and haul it around behind the garage. And we'll get her a new one. So just give me a second, I'll take you and show you the new generator. So here's the new generator. So GENERAC Guardian 10KW. So like I said, I got a buddy coming over. We're gonna try to get this thing off of here. It says to leave it on the little pallet, so I got that big cart, plus I got one of them like strap things that the guy's using for hauling appliances and all that kind of stuff for lifting. So we'll see what we got to do. Plus Paul, my buddy's coming over. He's got a Bobcat really actually across the street there that we could use if we end up having to, but we'll see how it goes. Like I say, I got a new Kohler generator. She's already got the transfer switch that went with the old generator downstairs, so I'm just gonna wire this into that. There's really not a whole lot of wiring changes, just a couple little things got to do, but I'm an electrician, so I can handle all that part. And then, like I say, it's liquid propane. I don't know if you saw them tanks in that last one, but that hooks in there and then electrical goes in there, so we're in good shape. There you have it. Guardian 10KW. I went up in size a little bit. The wiring's still big enough for it, so is the transfer switch. So there it is. There the new one sits. Got the covers taken all off. I'll get another shot here in a bit with the covers all on it, but gotta go get a couple longer bolts. Bolts I got ain't long enough to mount. I didn't realize that thing needed 5-inch bolts. I got some 3-inch ones. But anyway, bolt it down to the base. It'll be all set to start hooking up the electrical and the gas lines. So there it is, new generator. So there's what it looks like with the lid shut. Like I say, I got to hook up all the electrical and all that to it. So it's a GENERAC Guardian 10KW. Goes to a transfer switch we got downstairs, which was the old Kohler one. But I didn't buy, I saved myself the expense of not buying that. But I got to hook up the electrical wires there, get that to it, get the gas line tied in. So we got a little work to do. So anyway. So it'll be right nice when I get it done. There you have it. Here we are at my generator. We'll start it up. Done the warm-up start. I'll start it up and turn the breaker on and go down to the transfer switch and check all the voltages. So here we go. Manual start. Transfer switch. I'm gonna check it out right now, see what kind of voltage we got. I'm not gonna be able to hold this camera while I do all this, but anyway, I'm gonna check it out. Right there on the E terminals is what comes from the generator. So check it out and I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, so the voltages look good and the frequency look good. So it's time for me to go back out and put the generator in auto. Then I come in here and turn off the 2729, which feeds this generator. I got another setup where I can tie a portable generator in. But anyway, I'll turn the breaker off there and it should auto start and all of that. So we'll see how that test goes.